So hello guys, you are watching Tatu Gaming. This is Sen. So in today's video, as you have know about the title, I'm gonna teach you about Premiere Pro. Why is it not displaying, or why is it not exporting video? So I have the same issue. So you will be probably thinking that this is a gaming channel. Why is he uploading tech? Because I was also stuck in Premiere Pro and I didn't know how to export video. So today is for those who are searching for it. So first of all, the first biggest thing is not showing any screen or black screen. Like if you open it directly, it will not show you any screen like this. I will show you. Let me open it. Uh, like this, there is coming the here it is showing, but it doesn't any display like this. So what you're gonna do is nothing from here. I have watched multiple videos. They say that go, I think, go here and then here and then like this. So that will not work in into Adobe Premiere 2025. That will not work. Like I have wasted 2 hours watching all the YouTube shorts, all the YouTube videos, but didn't work. So simply what you have to do is press shift and then double click on Premiere Pro like this, and this menu will open. Release shift, it will not go. Just one time only. This is one time only, so you have to do it every time you open Adobe Premiere Pro. So you have to tick this and the display will come. Once again guys, shift plus double click on Premiere Pro, then this option comes, then tick on the one. This is one time only. You have to do it every time you open Adobe Premiere Pro, and this will fix your problem. So I will show you FS like this, and yeah, here you can see all the video is here. So the second problem I faced was that video not exporting. Like when you click export, here comes here it is exporting, but in some case there will be written uh, uh, what do we call it, rendering audio. Yeah, rendering audio, and it will not proceed. So what you are going to do is, before rendering, you will select all of these by left click. Guys, listen carefully. Select all of these with left click and then go to sequence. Click on sequence. There will be render audio. Click on
So
this.
hello guys, I am back again.
So this, like if you press this, there will be a menu and it will just render your voice. You should wait. If your video is bigger than 10 minutes, you should wait 10 minutes, or I think minimum 5 minutes. By 5 minutes it will take. So when you will do it, it will render your audio, and then you can export it very smoothly like this. So this is two of the most biggest challenges I have faced. I have spent like 2 hours, 3 hours, but I didn't find any. So I have found my own version of these problems. So the first problem was how to display if there is no display. So you should press shift plus open. So the second one is, if the video is not exporting, like it does rendering audio files, it will not proceed. Just select this and then go to sequence and then render audio and then export your video. This will do your work. So for now, that's it. So once again, this is a gaming channel. I am just uploading tech because I know my brothers need it. So if you have found the solution, please like and share, subscribe. So watch my other gaming videos as well. Thanks you guys.